Okay guys, guess what? Guess what I'm about to do? I'm going to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys by doing a random giveaway right now. So, hopefully whoever wins gets to watch this video and comment and let me know. I need a disclaimer. I need to make a disclaimer because somebody tried to do this. I had somebody win on the previous, my previous giveaway, and a different person with a different YouTuber name commented on there telling me their address and everything to send the stuff to them, that's them. But it had a completely different YouTube name. So in order to be able to qualify, whoever wins, so this is how you message. I'm going to give you an example. So I watched the Fry Life. Really beautiful couple, really nice couple to watch, just in case you guys want to. When you go to the about, when you go to the regular page, anybody's YouTube regular page, and you click about, and then you see here send message, this is how you're going to be able to communicate with me and give me your info and address if you win. So whoever's name is chosen with that same exact account, that's how you have to reach me. Because if you use someone else's account and you try to tell me that this is you, I'm not going to be able to respond. I'm not going to do that because someone already tried to take somebody's prize away before. So we won't be doing that. Okay, here's another thing that I want to do to be fair. I know that doing international shipping is difficult. So what I thought of is doing, so what I'm going to do, right? This is for the US. I'm going to buy a certificate for $20 to Mountain Crest Gardens. See, my name will be here, recipient's name and your email. So actually, I don't even need your address. I just need your name and your email. And then it's going to go to you. And then you get to shop at Mountain Crest Gardens and you get to spend $20. This is not sponsored. I just chose them because they're having a sale. So I figured, hey, they can get more for their money. They're having a 4th of July sale, so that's why I did that. What was I going to say? I was going to say something else. Okay, for the people that are not in the US, if you have a website where you order your plants from on a regular basis, and they have a way of doing gift certificates, then I would purchase theirs and send it to you if you win and you're not part of the US. But you have to find a website that does like succulents to the UK or whatever it is. I'll be willing to do that so that everyone gets a chance to win. I think this is a great idea because I know I have a mix of people from different places watching my videos. So guys, we're gonna do this right now. So I'm gonna go to my heartbroken video, and what I do is I click the URL here and I copy. Then on here all I do is put the URL to that video, and then I hit start and it's gonna choose a winner. Oh wait, no, I made a mistake. First this, there you go, it's 30 comments, and then now, well, there's more than 30 comments, but it says 30 comments because I think it doesn't count mine or repeated comments. So I'm going to hit start and we're going to see who's going to win. Congratulations, Mama Crafty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you. So I hope you watch this video and I hope you get back to me as soon as possible. Guys, this is just me saying thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. Bye.